everybody. Today I'm filling these jars with something that is non-edible. It was funny because usually Tuesdays I put up a video, so that means Mondays or Tuesdays, one of the two, that I will make the video. My sister asked me, how much butter are you going to use for your recipe tonight? I said none, because I'm not eating it. I'm making underarm deodorant, homemade. And with this hot weather and the fact that I do not like store-bought underarm deodorant and perspirant, I'm making my own, because definitely it's stinky and you sweat a lot. And so I cannot wait to show you the recipe for this. For the recipe, you need baking soda, cornstarch, coconut oil, and I'm using rose essential oil. With essential oil, you should test on your skin to make sure that you're not going to break out from it, because you don't want that on your underarms. And then have sting and go around public like, It's about as, I don't know what's worse, because you can at least get rid of stink, but you can't easily get rid of pain under your arms. Going to work. Hi, everybody. Okay, I'll get started. First, you want to have a half a cup of coconut oil. Then put in 1/4 a cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of baking soda. Then I'm going to put in about 12 drops of essential oil, and then I'm going to smell it to see how I like it. Smells just about right. So stir this all up. And here it is in the jar. Nice and creamy. You put it in and freeze it, or put it in refrigerator, however fast you need it, and wait for it to get to a solid state. And you can use your fingers in it to put on, or you can do like me and you can use a popsicle stick. And you can make different types of scents with other jars. Very quick, very easy. It smells good and it's natural. Not perfumey. I hate perfumey smells. But yeah, it's just like roses. So you can go to work smelling like roses. And, oh, okay, I'm a goofball. But, yep, nice, easy video. That's so nice to do sometimes. And I'll see you in the next one.